Friday morning, 6 a.m. There's hardly any wind. It's warm. I don't know, probably about almost 70 degrees. You can hear the ocean. Storm's coming. Really don't know what to say. Don't know really what this is going to be, but this is Belmar. Hopefully we'll still be looking like this after the storm passes through. That's your quick update. Subscribe to the videos. I'll be posting them all day and Saturday as long as I can, as long as I think it's safe to stay here on the beachfront. And I gotta batten down some hatches here at the house. So I'm gonna make some coffee and get to the task at hand. I figured I'd give you a quick update. Friday morning, exactly 6:10 a.m.